Hello everyone, let me introduce how to start to use Smart pls3, download and install. Download pls3, you should go to the website http://www.smartpls.com and you should decide which operating system in personal computer be used, Mac or Windows. And then use the setup. Before setup, you should configure a proxy server for internet access. And after download, you should paste your license key or register for free trial. After finish those download procedures, you should preparing your data coding and keying. For quantitative analysis, data is coded usually into measured and recorded as nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio variables. Spreadsheets such as Excel and more advanced software packages such as SPSS, SAS, and SATA are often used. Make sure the data format should be .csv or .txt for Smart pls3. The .csv file is more common. How do I convert an Excel file to CSV file? Save an Excel spreadsheet as a CSV file. In your Excel spreadsheet, click File and click Save As. Click Browse to choose where you want to save your file. Select CSV from the Save As tab drop-down menu. Click Save. Next, how do I convert a .sav file to CSV? In File menu in SPSS, choose Save As. In the drop-down menu in the dialog box that opens, choose Save As type, command delimited. Thank you. Finish.